Hello, in this video we're going to look at how to use the find and match functionality in the banking section of Nomisma. So, starting off from our business dashboard, see we're at Barney's Bowlerama. Over on the left hand side, clicking on banking. Now this is going to bring us through to the banking dashboard. We'll just click on unreconciled transactions. At the moment there's nothing showing there, so if we just amend the bank name, say to all, and then update, so that'll pull everything through there. You can see this will pull through all the transactions that need to be reconciled. Just have a quick look through. Memory serves, there's one on page 4 we'll have a look at. So we can see here, say looking at this one, £200. Now all you need to do is select your customer. So from here, type in ABC customer, and then we'd use the find and match. Now this will bring up all the invoices, credit notes that are applicable for this client. Seeing here, this one here, amount due. So just selecting that one. Now, because it's only part of it that will be paid off, it's a partial reconciliation. Now this will continue to show up on here until it's fully cleared. But if you're happy with everything showing there, you just click reconcile. That fills in the details there of where it's going to go, and then you can see it's highlighted on the left hand side here. From here, all you do is click on reconcile, and then we can see one transaction allocated successfully. And that's how to use the find and match functionality. So if you have any questions, queries following this video, please feel free to contact us on 020-302-12326, or you will be able to drop us an email at support@nomisma.co.uk. Thanks for watching.